Hi guys, Jay here and welcome to Make Money with Video. Now in this video guys, I'm going to talk about 3 of the best YouTube courses that I know of guys, and in no particular order. I'm going to show you them in a minute. This is my channel. I make videos of how to make money with video using different video creating software, different apps, on different social medias. Now if you want to check it out, feel free, but without further ado, let's get into it. In the first channel, you might have seen his videos a lot. It's called Jordan and it's by 9 to 5 guys, and he uploads videos quite often all about how to make money on YouTube, and he's had a few courses and they've done really well guys, but he's just released a new course, and if you want to come and check him out guys, like I said, by 9 to 5, but his course, all the links for the courses for his and the next 2 will be in the description. So feel free to come and check it out, guys. It's over on Digistore24, and it's called Tube Monetization and Automation Program, guys. And this is new course for 2021 edition. He has got a discount on at the moment. Come and watch the video. He tells you all about it here. Goes into a lot of detail in that, guys. And he also gives you some bonuses. Let's scroll down. So you get like your welcome and overview, you're choosing your perfect niche, YouTube basics, passing monetization, instant monetization, video topic review, creating and editing your videos, SEO secrets for truly going viral, advanced monetization techniques, my free niche case studies. So as you can see, guys, it gives you a lot, yeah. Outsourcing and automation, affiliate marketing on YouTube, income explorer introduction, affiliate marketing networks, affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing with your channel, high ticket offers, non-YouTube affiliate marketing. Yeah, guys, come check out. It gives you so much. Yeah, and did he mention the best part? It gives you 6 additional exclusive bonuses not available anywhere else. Private access to his exclusive VIP student group. Gives you there's lots of testimonials here, guys. Some here are the bonuses, guys. So it gives you a list of 200 profitable niches, yeah, example channels and that. Access to his private Facebook group, 20 hours of live Q&As, his 5-hour affiliate marketing income explorer course teaching you how to do affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel. He also gives you his 4-hour personal branding digital course, selling masterclass, and his 4-hour Shopify dropshipping made simple. He also has 9-hour YouTube made easy course. Yeah, so his first original course, guys, and his second course, his masterclass. So you get quite a lot, guys, and you can get it all for $247, guys. That is, you're getting all that for that, so it's a lot of value there, guys. Now moving on, the next channel is Make Money Matt. Now he has lots and lots of videos about how to make money on YouTube. He does lots of YouTube niche ideas, yeah, about showing your face. And believe it or not, guys, I know he's got more subscribers than Jordan, but Matt actually took Jordan's course. So I believe, that's what I've been told. And this is his course, guys. It's called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And it's how he said, how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. So he says he's got 9 different channels, guys. Just like Jordan was, he's holding his gold play button. Got some video testimonials as well. And then this is his. So you get module 1, overview of blueprint, choosing your niche, setting up your channel, uploading videos, the growth module, the monetization module, scaling your channel, and it's a very good course, guys. Yeah, he also gives you a bonus of list of 100 profitable niches and example channels. Gives you some fill in the blank script templates, tube channel case studies, gives you a money back guarantee, and you can get this for a one-time price of $9.97, guys. Yeah. So it's a lot. It's more expensive than Jordan's, but guys, he gives you some free training. Yeah. So this link will be in the description as well. So he shows you how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, and he will. It's exclusive free training with Matt Parr. Yeah, the new way to going about YouTube that doesn't require you to record videos. How to choose a niche and generate tons of videos quickly. How to take full advantage of YouTube algorithm growth super quickly. So guys, I'm going to leave this in the description. So if you want to take his his free training can, what you'll be learning, discovering how I run 9 different channels. It tells you a little bit about him, so you can come and check this out as well, guys. Yeah, so that's Matt Parr, and then the next one, guys, is Mark at Not Taught at School, guys. And I've watched this channel grow. He had like 2,000 subscribers when I first started watching him, and he just shot up, mate, guys. And you can see I watch his videos all the time. He's a down-to-earth guy. He only shows video. He shows different ways to make money, not just on YouTube, but like if you want to earn money online, this guy shows it you. And he's genuine, guys. He doesn't show stuff. He tests stuff out, guys, and then he uploads it. He doesn't like just try and upload any other thing like some YouTubers do. He generally tests them out. He buys them, he tests them out, and if they work, he lets us know. If they don't work, then he lets us know as well. Like, don't bother. So yeah, this is Mike from Not Taught at School, and his course, guys. You've probably seen it advertised in my channel before. He shows you how he'll unlock earning daily passive income. Yeah, guys, he's all about passive income. He wants it to be where he can upload something, does the work once, and then he gets rewarded for it over and over again, which is what we all want, guys. Yeah. So yeah, lifetime access. Yeah, do it at your own pace. You will learn from YouTube. Passive success, the groundwork for success, create passive income online, and how to scale everything up. And guys, is usually at $297, but today he's got it on offer, or for the time being at least, for $97, guys. So it's a big price drop. And you might be thinking, well, it mustn't be that good then. If the others are selling it for nearly $1,000, then Mike's mustn't be that good. But believe me, guys, right? I have taken all 3 of their courses. Yeah, that's why I'm promoting them now, because I know they're all good. I've taken all 3, and it was after taking this course is when my channel started to blow up and do well, guys. Yeah, so we'll just carry on going over it. He's got loads of like proof of what he's been earning and stuff like that. Got some video testimonials, like the guys got some written testimonials. Yeah, including yours truly. Here I am. And it says, this is one of my YouTube channels, and you can see a huge difference in earnings, and it's all down to listening to Mike's course. The first 3 months I was trying to do it my way. The last few months I've been listening to Mike's advice. I said it before, I say it again. Thank you so much, Mike. And you can see first month, second month, yeah, wasn't really earning. Then it started to go better and better, and it continues to go better and better, guys. And again, it's $97, and what you do, you get the overview of the blueprint, how it all works and that, how to start properly, how to set it up and start properly, the fast method, so it shows us how to do it fastly, keyword research, which is very important, creating the channel, videos made easy, the upload process, get more eyes on your video, the money module, all for $97. Got some questions and answers there, guys. So, guys, and I'll just quickly show you again. So that's Jordan by 95. If you want to check his channel out, he's got his course. You've got Make Money Matt, where you check his channel out, he's got his course, and you've got Mike, Not Taught at School. Check him out in that. All the links will be in the description, and if you want to check out any of these, you can do, guys. But feel free to check their course out, guys, and good luck and all the best if you could decide that, because trust me, guys, whichever course you decide to choose, they're going to help you. They're going to help you like they helped me, guys. See, they've got 13,000 subscribers, and I'm making money, guys. Yeah, making money. So there's bigger channels out there, a lot bigger than mine, but this is my channel, and it's all thanks to listening to these guys, especially listening to Not Taught at School and doing his course, which is the YouTube passive profits. It's all about passive income. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time,